my name is Alicia, and I just wanted to take a quick minute or two and tell you all about the Lost Book of Remedies. So this book offers people the knowledge and the tools that they need to identify healing plants and use them to their full potential. You'll find lots of pictures to help you compare plants, so you know you've got the right one and not a lookalike. I mean, if you have no previous plant knowledge, this book makes it all so easy to understand. Part 1 dives into backyard weeds and helps you find out, what you're already growing in your own backyard without even realizing it. Part 2, it teaches you how to identify wild edibles and remedies that grow in forest. Part 3 is all about the plants that grow especially in the prairie. And then there's another part of the book that talks about medicinal and edible trees in North America. And then the last part is all about common treatments people in the past used. So no matter what level you are at when it comes to understanding and using plants for healing and or treatments, this book will help you grow and truly get started on a path to understanding. So yeah, click on the link below to find out more, and thanks for watching. Bye.